How much should you actually spend on an espresso machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Breville Barista Express. Let's kick things off with the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. Priced at $549.95, this one caught my eye because it's labeled a bestseller with over 27,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want cafe-quality espresso at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it stands out. This machine has an integrated conical burr grinder, meaning you can go from whole beans to a shot of espresso in under a minute. It's a game changer for coffee lovers who crave freshness. The low-pressure pre-infusion gently extracts flavors for a balanced cup, which is crucial when you want that rich, aromatic taste. Plus, the PID temperature control ensures water is at the perfect temperature for extraction, giving you that smooth and flavorful espresso every time. Now, some people complained about the learning curve when it comes to using all its features. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your coffee, investing some time to master this machine is totally worth it for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with coffee and want to create cafe-style drinks at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something super simple and don't want to mess with settings. Overall, it offers great value for money. Now, if the price of the Breville made you hesitate, this next one is a more budget-friendly option with solid performance. Product number 2, Jevi Commercial Espresso Maker. Next up is the Jevi Commercial Espresso and Coffee Maker, which is priced at just $126.99. It's another bestseller with a 4.3-star rating from over 612 reviews. This caught my attention because it offers so much at a lower price point. If you're after a compact machine that can whip up your favorite drinks without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. This espresso maker comes with a 20-bar pump that really packs a punch, ensuring optimal flavor extraction. It makes everything from rich espressos to frothy cappuccinos. The powerful steam system creates silky microfoam for your lattes, and the compact stainless steel design looks great on any countertop. Plus, it's super easy to use with intuitive controls, making it perfect for beginners. However, if you consider the price point, it still delivers excellent performance for home use, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is ideal for you if you want a reliable, user-friendly espresso maker without a hefty investment. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features and a premium feel. You'll get great value for your money with this one. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who love versatility in brewing. Product number 3, Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier. The Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier is up next, priced at $599. It's received a 4.3-star rating from 2,300 reviews and has been flying off the shelves with over 2,000 sold recently. What grabbed my attention is its 3-in-1 capability. If you want to mix espresso with drip coffee and cold brew, this machine could be your best friend. This isn't just an espresso maker, it's got a built-in grinder and a hands-free milk frother. You can create double or quad shots of espresso and even opt for drip coffee in a variety of styles. The dual froth system is really impressive, allowing you to achieve that perfect microfoam effortlessly. Plus, the smart technology helps you with precision grinding and active temperature adjustments, making every cup as good as it gets. However, some users pointed out that it's a bit more complex than a straightforward espresso machine. But honestly, if you enjoy getting creative with your drinks, the learning curve pays off big time with its capabilities. This is perfect for you if you love variety in your coffee and want a machine that does it all. Skip it if you're looking for something traditional that just focuses on espresso. It offers great value for its price considering all the features included. Now, if you're still looking for something that's easier on the wallet, here's a more compact option that doesn't skimp on quality. Product number 4, Naretva Espresso Machine. Next on the list is the Naretva Espresso Machine, coming in at just $104.99. With a 4.5-star rating and 1,200 reviews, it's a great choice for those who want a budget-friendly espresso maker. If you're looking for compactness without sacrificing quality, give this one a look. The precise temperature control helps maintain the right conditions for brewing and steaming, which is crucial for getting the most flavor out of your coffee. The pre-infusion function is another neat feature, gently preparing your grounds to enhance flavor extraction. Some users have noted that the steam wand could be more powerful for creating microfoam. But here's the thing, if you're not making fancy latte art all the time, this will still serve you well for daily drinks. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, high-quality espresso machine without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're a serious barista who demands top-tier performance. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you want to stick with a trusted brand that offers a similar experience to the Breville, let's check out another model from them. Product number 5, Breville Barista Express Black Truffle. Finally, we have the Breville Barista Express in Black Truffle, priced similarly to the previous model. With the same impressive 4.5-star rating and 27,600 reviews, this model stands out in aesthetics as well as performance. If you're after a stylish addition to your kitchen that also brews great coffee, consider this one. Like its brushed stainless steel counterpart, this machine features the same integrated grinder and low-pressure pre-infusion for balanced flavor extraction. The PID temperature control means consistent brewing temperatures, which is key for a quality espresso. And yes, you still get to hand texture microfoam milk for that cafe-style latte art. The only drawback is that it can be a bit pricey for those just starting out. But if you're serious about your coffee journey, this machine is worth every penny for the quality it delivers. This is perfect for you if you want both style and substance in your espresso machine. Skip it if you're on a tight budget or just want something simple. For what you get, it offers fantastic value. So there you have it. Each of these machines has its own strengths and weaknesses, catering to different coffee lovers. Whether you prioritize price, versatility, or premium quality, there's something here for every espresso enthusiast. To wrap it up, we looked at some fantastic options. Breville's Barista Express for the serious home barista, the Jevi for budget-conscious beginners, the Ninja for versatility, Neretva for compact quality, and another Breville for style. Each of these machines can help you brew great coffee at home, but ultimately it depends on what you value most in your coffee experience. Happy brewing!